Front of the analog camera.
Shutter speed is the time the shutter is open. And next, film's ISO deal. IOS refer to the sensitive the signal gains of the camera's sensors. Next, film's advanced layer is a mechanism for moving films from one spool to another, incrementality or frame at a time. Next, shutter release button is a push button on many cameras. Next, frame counter, an indicator in roll films cameras that show the number of frames that have moved. That's the camera. Next, nick strap eyelet, a small holes used as a attach point for a strap or string. Next, hand grip. Hand grip, the right part of camera's body show where your right hand can grip.
Number 7. The self-time lever allows you to delay the shutter release for a short period. And the number 8 is lens release button. Press this button to unlock the lens mount and detach the lens. The number 9 is hot shoe contract or accessory show, a mounting point to attach the flash unit. And the number 10 is film rewind crank. The purpose of it is to ensure the proper loading. Number 11 is film rewind knob, casing which holds the camera and closes the pads. And the number 12 is shutter release button, to measure the photographic film's sensitivity to light.
Aperture ring, a camera parts that let you adjust the size of the aperture. Next, distance scale. Markings indicating the distance from the lens where object will appear in focus. Next, focusing ring. Focusing ring, this is a ring
Back
on
of
the
the
lens
analog
body.
camera.
Then next,
Viewfinder eyepiece. This is where you look, touch to frame your shot. It's allowed you to see what the lens see. Next, 2020. Rewind fork. This is a mechanism that helps to rewind the films back into the cartridge after you taking all the exposure. Next, 21. Films cartridge chamber. This is where the films cartridge is loaded, is hold the inexposure with films and facilities is movement towards the camera. 22. Battery chamber lid. This is lid cover the battery compartment which power the camera's electronic component.
23. The tripod socket. This camera is for long exposure or precise the framing. Number 24 is the film guide rails. This camera is for advance and ensuring the proper alignment. And the number 25 is the film sprocket. Preparation of films advance it frame by frame during the shooting. And the number 26 is camera back. This part seals the back of the camera, protecting the film from light when the camera is not used.
film pleasure plate. It holds the film flat against the film plane for sharp focus. The next, film rewind button, allowing you to rewind the film back into the cartridge after shooting. The next, film makeup spool, ensuring that it is properly stored and ready for development. And the last, film cartridge confirmation window, a small window that allows you to check if the film cartridge is properly loaded. bracketing button. Enables exposure bracketing, allowing the camera to take multiple shots at different exposure levels, useful to HDR photography. Number 4. Infrared receiver front. Detect signals from remote controls, allowing to promote shutter release or camera adjustment without physical contact. Next, number 5. Mounting mark. Indicates the correct alignment point for mounting the camera onto a tripod or other accessories. Then number 6. Built-in microphone. Captures audio during video recording, enabling sound to accompany video footage.
Okay.
Number 11. Focus and selector are control mechanism to adjust focus or navigate touch camera menus and setting. Number 12. Meter coupling lever. Engage the camera's metering system, helping to determine the correct exposure setting based on light condition. 13.
Number 13, mirror, allowing for the optical viewing of the scene. Number 14, USB connector, enables the data transfer to one computer or charging on the camera's battery. Number 15, the AV connector, provides a connection to the audio-video output to external device like TV or monitors. Number 16, HMDI mini connector, allows direct connection to the HD displays for playback of photos and videos. Number 17, accessory terminal, supports additional accessories like external flashes or remote triggers for enhanced functionality. Number 18, connector for external microscope, allows for the attachment of higher quality external microphones for improved audio capture and video recordings.
One, viewfinder. Viewfinder, an optical for electronic display that show the scene as captured by the lens or accurate framing.
Go.
Number 2, rubber eye cap. Provide comfort and cushioning when using the viewfinder, blocking stray light for a clear view. Number 3, delete button. Allow you to remove unwanted photo from the camera's memory. Number 4, playback button. Enable you to review your capture image and video on the display screen. Trailing monitor, a flexible screen that can teach to help you capture shot from various angles. Number 6, menu button. Access the camera setting and configurations option for customization. Number 7, WB button. Stand for white balance, allowing you to adjust the color.
Number 8, the metering option button. Let you select different metering mode to determine how the camera measures the light. Number 9, the qual button. Image quality and file format setting for your photos. Number 10, diopter adjustment. Adjust the viewfinder focus to match your eyesight for clarity. Number 11, exposure lock. Lock the exposure or focus settings to maintain them while refraining your shot. Number 12, shutter release. Shutter release button that captures the image to press. Number 13, the command dial. Rotating the dial for quickly changing setting like aperture and shutter speed. Number 14, focus selection. Focus selection prevents the accidental change to focus setting while shooting.
Live view button, activating the LCD display to real-time scenes before capturing. Multi-selector. 16. A control pad for navigating menus and adjusting setting quickly. Number 17. Memory card slot cover. Protects the slot where the memory card is inserted, preventing dust and damage. Number 18. Off button. Confirm selection in menus or settings. The number 19. Receiver focus. A sensor that assists with autofocus and helps ensure sharp images. The number 20. Focus selection lock. It secures your focus point when shooting. The number 21. Card aces. Lamp indicates when the camera is reading or writing data to the memory card. Then the last, 22. Info button. Displays information about camera settings and shooting condition on the screen.